Hi, my name is Bang Cheng Guan. I am from Multimedia University Malacca. I'm conducting this video as part of my coursework for Advanced Robotics by proposing a robotic system which is suitable to use in Malaysia's education industry. So, after reviewing 3 journal papers which are regarding to human-robot interaction, I have eventually came up with this title, Rapid Prototyping Framework for Robot-Assisted Training of Autistic Children. For me, this is an interesting topic as I was first exposed to the use of humanoid robot in interacting with autistic children. So, as we know, autistic children have a big gap in terms of communication compared to normal children. Therefore, a humanoid robot is introduced to help them to gain self-initiation and show motivation. From here, a robot named Now is chosen as the assistive robot for autistic children. So what is Now robot? Now robot is a 58 cm tall humanoid robot with 25 degrees of freedom. It was first developed by Aldebaran Robotics in 2006. It's a completely programmable, autonomous, and interactive robot. Currently in 5th version, 7,000 Nows have been sold throughout the world. In brief, Now is a good robot companion for humans in living life. So what actually Now can do? Basically, Now has several sensors for natural interaction. Firstly, seeing. Now is equipped with 2 digital cameras that film his environment in high resolution, helping him to recognize shapes and objects. Secondly, hearing and speaking. With his 4 directional microphones and loudspeakers, Now interacts with humans in a completely natural manner by listening and speaking. Now also has the ability to show emotion by changing the color of its eyes, which is particularly useful in certain applications. Next, Now has an adaptive work ability with 8 pressure sensors. And last but not least, Now is able to use a range of different connection modes such as Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Next, we have come to the bill of materials. From here, we only need one important item, which is only Now robot. The unit price of Now robot is 40,000 ringgit Malaysia. You may question why the price is so high. It is because the Now robot comes in a package with some accessories such as Now special hard case, laptop MacBook Air, and also the Now textbook. For any information, you may visit this website where it provides varieties of packages for customer to choose according to the applications and types of user. For my case, academic premium package is chosen, which is targeting users such as academic, researcher, or students. Robopreneur also included 3 years warranty and services. Therefore, user can no need worry of getting a bad or low quality item as warranty is provided. Next, I will talk about the technical principles involved in this Now robot. Basically, Now was created by TVP, a visual programming environment which connects behavioral components with different levels of complexity to create behaviors and behavioral scenarios. Since we are dealing with autistic children, a specific behavior design is necessary. Designing robot motion is relatively easy by using TVP, where users can just make a series of actions known as choreography. Like for example, if you want Now robot to show a confused action, you can just move its hand to its head and do some head scratching action. Next, a therapy-specific modules known as a least to most prompt hierarchy is provided to the robot. The prompt hierarchy consists of 4 different levels of prompt, which are operationalized depending on the amount of help provided by the robot. These prompts are introduced during play activity, whenever the robot can create the learning opportunities for the children to respond. Let me briefly guide you on the 4 levels of prompt. First, wait prompt. As you can see from the top of the hierarchy, wait prompt. After creating a chance to respond, now robot will wait for the children's response without giving any indications. Second, supplement prompt. The robot provides an indirect hint about an opportunity for the children to initiate and which does not model the target behavior. Thirdly, open question prompt. The robot will ask an open-ended question that the children should respond to and which does not model the target behavior. Lastly, model prompt. Now robot provides a model of the desired behavior for the children to imitate. There are also involvement of additional elements such as attention drawing, in which the robot must be able to draw and keep the children's attention to the given task at hand. Next, time delay, to give them opportunity to respond. For deferral, is the robot's action to not end the training earlier. Reattempt is carried out when the robot offers the same chance again to the children to observe their response. And last but not least, a hierarchical interaction model for activities is introduced here. First, robot stretches its arm to a child. If it holds a hand, then they perform a shaking hand action. Next, the robot will check if the child is attentive or not. If yes, the robot will start to introduce himself. Up to here, if it is still at attentive level, a statement of question will be asked. Overall, these are the technical principles used in this Now robot. At last, when we talk about element of sustainability, Now robot is not actually the problem solver for the environment. Some robots are able to help recycling resources, help reduce waste during industrial production and so on. However, Now robot platforms do possesses a sustainability in terms of reducing the cost of technical education and increase its effectiveness. So, this is all from my presentation on the proposed implementation of Now robot in special education. Thank you for your time in listening.